Can AI replace manual note taking? Note taking has always been a core skill for learning, remembering, and planning. Traditionally, we write, type, or organize thoughts manually. But now AI is stepping into the space, promising to summarize, link, and even generate notes for us automatically. So the question is, can AI actually replace manual note taking, or is there something about writing, thinking, and processing that AI can't replicate? In this video, we will explore both sides of the debate, show tools that are transforming note taking, provide prompts that you can try live, and help you figure out when to use AI and when to stick to manual methods. Manual note taking isn't going anywhere for a reason. Writing by hand or just typing yourself forces focus, helps you with memory retention, and allows you for reflection. When you summarize or rephrase in your own words, your brain processes the information deeply. Like, for example, Obsidian is mostly manual note-taking app, and right here I'll show you an example note. This was all written manually because Obsidian is great for manual note-taking because you can capture ideas very freely, link them organically, and build a personal knowledge web over time. Similarly, tools like Notion or Reflect and Mem, these apps allow you manual input while maintaining structure using AI. AI note-taking tools are powerful for speed, summarization, and retrieval. You can quickly capture a long meeting, lecture, or research document, and the AI can turn it into proper notes. AI is great at highlighting key points, detecting patterns across multiple notes, and even suggesting next steps. For example, in Notion, this is a long block right here. I'm going to select it entirely and ask AI to summarize it with key points. Right here, we are going to ask AI to improve the writing and just give us a summary of this. So we're going to generate a prompt to summarize this and give key points. In just a few seconds, this is going to help us summarize, and it's going to link across notes automatically. Like right here, it just provided us with it. So we can either insert it below or just replace it completely. So I'm going to insert it right here, which provided us with a summary, and the whole paragraph above can just be gone. And just like that, the AI just made it much easier for us. Like, you can also try it with different applications that you are familiar with. Right here, let's create a new note on Mem, for example. We can just type in our rough note like this, and with a single click, we can just clean it up, and this is going to organize it. And just in a few seconds, it is going to refine the entire note. We're simply going to accept, and you can see it provided us with key points, headings, and even the importance for beginners. It just refined the entire note with a single click. AI works well when your goal is efficiency and retrieval. If you have meetings, research articles, or large amounts of data, AI can condense everything instantly. You can ask, what are the key insights from this text? There is a text box that is basically an AI chat on the right side of your screen in Mem. You can simply type in a prompt or ask it simple prompts like, where are the key insights from this text? If the note is too long with too much material and so much going on with multiple headings, you can ask the AI to locate it exactly where it is, or to highlight the recurring themes in these notes, or turn this content into action items. In these scenarios, AI can replace manual summarizing because it is faster and can track connections across multiple documents automatically. Manual note-taking wins in deep thinking. So if we talk about when manual note-taking still wins, it is that it wins in deep thinking, reflection, and creativity. Writing or typing yourself encourages focus and helps you process ideas on a deeper level. AI can summarize, but it can't replicate the cognitive benefits of translating complex ideas into your own words or linking concepts in ways only your brain can. So for learning, idea development, or building a personal knowledge system over years, manual input is still critical. And if we talk about how AI can replace manual note taking, is that it works efficiently and makes your work progress much faster, and you can just keep track of the connections and keep multiple documents organized automatically, or just give the AI a simple prompt and it is going to do the structured work for you. So you get a structured base and you can start refining, editing, and adding more details to it later. This just gives you a head start and it acts as a support or helper. It doesn't manage the stuff for you, but it can act as a helper, and it doesn't act as your manager or does most of your creative work for you or even your idea development. But it is great for building personal knowledge system over the years because you can get used to AI faster and rely on it as a helper, not as a manager. If you rely on AI too much, it is going to complicate things for you and you're going to get disappointed really fast because AI cannot always do your work for you entirely. It is not going to create new ideas or do the creative work for you. It is just going to take your ideas into structure. The most practical approach is hybrid. You can capture initial dots manually in Obsidian and then just use AI or any AI note-taking tool to summarize, link, or extract actionable items. For example, you can just write notes during a meeting or a brainstorm session, and you can't really do that inside Notion. You can create a new page and start writing in your thoughts, but for manual and critical thinking, Obsidian or just a traditional manual note-taking app is going to do for you. And then once you have done brainstorming, you can just start AI processing. You can ask the AI to summarize the note for you and highlight key points or even generate tasks following up. You can store everything in a system like Notion, Reflect, or Mem for retrieval. This way, you retain cognitive benefits while keeping AI efficiency. Some great example prompts that can work across AI note-taking tools could include summarizing a page into key points or what are the action items for the content, or to generate next steps from the previous information you just typed out. It can also show you all the notes related to a certain topic. You can simply just ask AI to locate it exactly where it is. These prompts turn static notes into actionable knowledge while keeping your system organized and clean. Like, this is Notion. This is a great note-taking AI tool app. This keeps your pages structured. Like right here, we asked AI to summarize and give us the key points, so the note is kept pretty organized. And this provides us with a built-in AI with functions and tools that work best. And you can also link your notes together by adding relations. If we talk about Mem, it captures fast and AI insights are surfacing. Like, we just made this entire note and kept it organized and clean with a single click, which is super fast. We can also use Reflect. Like right here, there is this note. We are simply just going to open this. You can just ask AI to completely customize it, like right here, and ask it to write a shorter summary on this. You can simply just add it and replace it entirely, and it just created a shorter summary so you can go through it faster. And if you want to work with manual note-taking, then this provides us with backlinks. Like right here, there is a backlink and it takes you to the note that was connected to it. It also provides you with a proper graph view so you can see where your notes are and what notes are connected to each other. So, can AI replace manual note-taking? The answer is it depends. For efficiency, summarization, and linking across documents, AI is incredible. But for deep thinking, creativity, and learning, manual note-taking still has a key role. The best approach is a hybrid system. Write your notes and then let AI take over and help you organize and extract your insights. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share in the comments how you use AI or manual notes in your workflow. I'll see you in the next video with more tips to boost your productivity and knowledge management skills. If you have any questions regarding this, just leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.